The European Battery Business Club is a unique lifelong learning program that combines cutting-edge knowledge with industry insights delivered through innovative micro-learning elements. With this, we guarantee self-directed learning whenever you want and wherever you want. The EBBC offers asynchronous learning elements that facilitate self-directed learning. Short videos, podcasts, quizzes, interactive figures, and much more. No long lectures, but short, concise, and engaging learning elements. This enables you to work on the content at your own pace, regardless of the time of day or where you are. We hope this will make it easier for you to integrate learning into your everyday life.